Hello friends, I am Adya Vinesh and today I'm going to recite a poem named A Day at Sea by Melissa Robertson. Here it goes. As the ocean waves fed me and the sand greets the sea, the fish swim free and the shells wash up by me. The sand squishes suddenly between my shoeless toes. Then the tide flows over them and back down it goes. The salt is in my tongue and the sea song is sung. The sun is going down and so my day at sea is done. Thank you.
I'm trying to make ocean with the help of water, green color and oil mix. Blue and oil mix. A small plant. Then we will start. We put small plants with help. This is my ocean.
Good morning everyone, I am Ivan and today I am going to talk about World Ocean Day. World Ocean Day is celebrated on June 8. It was first celebrated on 1992. This day is celebrated to understand the importance of ocean. Ocean called major part of water in earth. The theme of 2021, the ocean life and livelihood. Ocean are the beauty of nation. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello friends, my name is Aljanas. I am studying in 3C. I am tell about World Ocean Day. Ocean are not mere bodies of water. They are the source of life on earth. They are the source of oxygen for us. Time has come to protect them and them and save them wishes to you on World Ocean Day. Thank you.
Teacher and my dear friends, I'm Fasara, studying class 3C. I'm going to recite the poem on Ocean Day. Enjoy. I am drawn to the sea and its salty spray. My throat's perceived far beyond the shore. I am lost, I am found with every wave. The tide and is pull. I break from the sea. I was born and to see the I will return. Then I leave. Thank you, have a nice day.
Happy World Ocean Day! I am singing a poem of ocean. All is quiet and all is calm. The whispering water glistens, swimming, shimmering, full of charm. The tranquil ocean listens, but now the water is not so good. Creatures, mystics, plastics, bottles for food, dolphins, whales, crabs and eels are eating plastics for their meals. Plastics bags like jellyfish shouldn't be on a shark shopping list. The sea is for fish. The sea is for fish. Bottles, bags, and so much waste are hiding the beauty of the oceans. Oceans of under, stream of dream. Plastic pollution, we need a solution. Recycle, reuse, or even refuse. Plastic bags like jellyfish shouldn't be on a shark shopping list. Only we can make a difference. Save the ocean. Save the ocean. Our responsibility. So please save the ocean. Thank you. upon the waters, the great unknown where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery. And oceans deep my faith will stand, and I will call upon your name, and keep my eyes above the waves. Keep when ocean rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours, you are mine. Your grace surrounds in deepest water, your sovereign hand will be my view, where feet may fail and fear surround me. You are never failed, and you won't start now. So I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When ocean rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours and you are mine. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Nakshatra Venu. I am studying in class 5th B. World Ocean Day. World Ocean Day is celebrated every year on 8th June to raise public awareness about the importance of ocean, which are the habitat to millions of species and marine life. World Ocean Day inspires people around the world to share ideas about issues impacting the ocean life. It also inspires people to take some concrete actions at the individual level in a community to make some difference in terms of preservation and conservation of ocean. The aim of the celebration is to create awareness on ocean and its reasons, which are crucial for survival of living beings on earth. Thank you.
Good evening to all. World Ocean Day is celebrated on 8th June every year. The ocean is as important to our blue planet as oxygenated blood is to our bodies. Dr. Jane said, "We depend on our ocean for the future of life on Earth, and our ocean depends us to heal the harm we have inflicted on Mother Earth. Let's join our hearts, hands, and minds to heal her. In doing so, she will heal us. It is not too late." Thank you.
My name is Livelihoods. I am studying in Kendra Vidyalaya of class 4C. Today I am going to recitate the poem Ocean. Take me out to the ocean, take me out to the sea. Show me the foamy waves rolling there as I breathing in the salty air. Let me look at the ocean. See the sea and explore, for it's fun to dive from the top to the ocean floor. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Anushka. I am going to tell you a speech on World Ocean Day. Let's start. World Ocean Day is celebrated on 8th June every year. This day is celebrated by the United Nations on 8th June every year to explain the importance of ocean and its conservation. The aim is to make people aware of the increasing pollution and hazards arising in the sea. On this day, the aspects related to the ocean like food security, biodiversity, ecological balance, etc. have been highlighted. On this day, work is done to spread awareness among the people so that they do not pollute the sea. So, the aim of the celebration is to create the awareness of ocean and its resources, which are important for the survival of living beings on earth. So, do not pollute our seas and oceans. Happy World Ocean Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Arja Sunil. I am studying in class 4A. Today is the World Ocean Day. Oceans are not mere bodies of water. They are the source life of Earth. They are the sources of oxygen for us. The time has come to protect them and save them. Warm wishes to all on the World Ocean Day. Thank you.
I am an ocean. Hey man, I don't want you, but you need me for your survival. Always remember, you are the source of our food. It's okay, but you have lot of space to dung our waste. It's use it. That's all. What do you think about me? You dump all the waste like plastic, e-waste, oil, chemicals, etc. Then what? I was so suffocated. Please save me. Please save me. Who will save me? Without an ocean, our life is not possible. So, we save our ocean. My name is Anandanarayan.
My name is Sadhanaran. I am studying class 5.
I am studying class 5. Thank you.